When we started 425 Consulting, what we wanted to do is to be able to provide enterprise-level services to small and mid-sized companies. Our expertise really is in data warehousing and reporting. So Power BI and Azure data warehousing, we do that mostly ourselves. But Stratos helps all across the board for us. Business Central, sales professional, marketing, creating a vertical opportunity. Stratos support and enable our vision as a company to be able to be a trusted advisor, so seamless as we can't tell the difference between 425 and Stratos. Stratos gave us a way to get to where we wanted to go as a company much faster. We think we could be 3 to 5 times as big in 5 years. As we talk to them, we look at, boy, is this something that we could repeat multiple times? And so we're finding that there are industries that are underserved. And so if we find somebody that can recognize the value, we're willing to help just about anybody. I don't believe that 425 Consulting would have as bright of a future without the relationship with Stratos Cloud Alliance. I'm just so thankful that we found Stratos Cloud Alliance, honestly.